So increasing your credit scores. Often a very hot topic. You see a lot of companies out there advertising that they can increase your credit scores. Even credit bureaus like Experian offer something called Experian Boost, which they claim can help you to increase the scores on your credit report, that can help you gain more borrowing power, whether it be for a mortgage or for a car. One thing that's important to understand is something called credit disputes. So credit disputes are whenever you have something reporting on your credit that you don't agree with, and you tell those credit bureaus, which are Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, that that information is not correct. Now, disputing the trade line on your credit report in and of itself doesn't actually do anything. It doesn't change the credit scores just yet. What happens is it requires that the creditors who are reporting that to your credit report have to verify that the information is accurate. So that can do one of two things. Let's say you actually did miss that payment, and it's like Verizon that's reporting to your credit report that you have a missed payment or something like that. If you dispute that and it turns out that it's correct, well, then nothing changes. If it turns out that it's wrong, then that can fall off of your credit report and increase your scores. But it's important to understand that if you want to dispute something on your credit report, don't do it when you're going to get a mortgage. Don't dispute trade lines on your credit report, like rate when it becomes time to buy, because you know that if you get a higher credit score, it can help your buying power, it can help you with interest rates. You want to do that well in advance, because lenders are less likely to lend funds. If these are conventional loans or FHA, government-backed loans, lenders are less likely to lend the money to you if you have disputes, because it leads to uncertainty in your credit profile. Lenders don't know if the information's accurate, if it's inaccurate, and a lot of the times it's hard to get a mortgage if you have a lot of disputes. So you have to take those out of dispute on your credit report in some cases before you close on the loan, or you have to prove like which side is accurate. Is it disputed accurately? Did you actually miss the payment? So doing that while you're going through the mortgage process is not a good idea. Not saying that disputing things on your credit report is not a good idea, but doing it when you're trying to get a mortgage is not a good idea. You want to do that well in advance so that you can clear up any disputes and have them resolved before it actually comes time to get pre-approved.